I want to make this very clear. Most people overcomplicate making money online. They'll spend months researching, learning the algorithm, and waiting for the perfect time to start. But this side hustle is so stupid simple, literally anyone can start. No experience, no camera, no startup money. And the crazy thing is, people are making hundreds or thousands of dollars a week doing this exact thing. So the first point is the side hustle. The side hustle that I'm talking about is faceless YouTube content, also infamously known as YouTube automation, but not the complicated one where you hire editors and scriptwriters, but I mean simple one-person channels posting short-form content. These channels are getting hundreds of thousands of views, all using free footage, AI tools, and consistency. Right now, YouTube is rewarding creators who keep people watching, not the ones with the fanciest setups. So if your short can hook someone in the first 3-4 seconds, that's literally all it takes for the algorithm to start pushing it. So the second point is why anyone can start. Again, you don't need a fancy setup. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need to talk if you don't want to. You can use free AI tools like CapCut, Pexels, and 11 Labs to make the entire videos. Most people think that they need some big brand or huge skill, but the truth is, they don't. The real cheat code is knowing what to post and posting it consistently. If you focus on evergreen topics like money, mindset, psychology, or tech, you'll stand out quicker because these niches are always in demand. So the third point is how the money works. So let's talk about numbers because honestly, this is what matters. So if your short gets 1 million views, you can get anywhere from $50 to $500 just from ad revenue. And this all depends on your niche. Now add affiliate links in your bio or brand deals once your channel gets noticed, and this is exactly when your channel starts scaling. And the best part is you don't need a viral hit. It's all about stacking videos, each one bringing in a little more traffic, which builds over time. That's how you go from $10 in a day, $100 in a day, and $4,000 every month. So let's take it step by step on how to start. The first step is to pick a niche with real money: finance, motivation, self-improvement, or even AI. Step 2 is research what already works: titles, topics, hooks. You can use YouTube Shorts filters or a site like Thumbs Up TV to study thumbnails and headlines. Make simple, fast-paced videos with clean visuals and text, no fluff or clickbait. Finally, step 4 is post consistently. Don't overthink, just post. If you post consistently, you'll improve with every video and the algorithm will reward you. Finally, the fifth point, which is probably what you've all been waiting for: how much this side hustle actually makes. This side hustle isn't going to make you $10,000 overnight. At first, you might make $2, $10, maybe $50 in your first month. And honestly, that's completely normal. And honestly, in your first month, $50 is above average, because this is how compound growth looks online. Once your channel starts getting consistent traction, you'll hit $500 a month, then $1,000, then $4,000 plus every month. And for the people making $10,000 a month, they didn't start that way. The difference, they didn't quit, and they treated YouTube like a business. Think of it like this: if you can post 2 to 3 quality shorts a day, you're building a digital asset that pays you even when you sleep. And this is something that no 9-to-5 can ever do. If there's one thing that you can take out from this entire video, it's this: stop waiting for the right time. And honestly, you already have everything that you need: your phone, your time, and your internet. This side hustle isn't just about money, it's about momentum. Once you start, you'll realize how many opportunities open just from taking action. Don't let another year go by wishing you started sooner. This is your sign to actually do it. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Make sure to watch this video right here, and as always, thank you for watching.